Setting up your SmartThings Hub version 2. Setting up your SmartThings Hub version 2 is very easy. This video will guide you through step by step. Inside the box you will find your SmartThings Hub and a few other things. Underneath the first layer of packaging you will find your welcome code. You will need to enter this welcome code into your SmartThings Classic app. Simply tap on Enter Code here and type in the welcome code. Once you've entered the code, tap Next. When you see this screen, it's time to set up your SmartThings Hub. Also inside the box you should find all of the cables that you need to connect your hub. Firstly, slide the plug connector onto the power adapter like this. Insert the power cable into the round connection hole on the hub. You can now plug the power adapter into a power socket. On the hub you will see a blue flashing LED. This will tell you that it is switched on. Next, insert one end of the other cable into the rectangular hole like so. Now insert the other end of that cable into the back of your router. Any free connection will do. The LED on the hub should change colour and may even blink. This will tell you that it is setting up. Once it is turned green, the hub is successfully set up.